Hey everyone, so if you're using Google Calendar for work, meetings, or personal plans, yeah, keeping your events secure is really important. I'll show you how to do it step by step in 2026. First, use a strong and unique Google account password. Now enable two-step verification for extra protection. Set important events to private so only you can see them. Control who can view or edit your calendar. Avoid making your calendar public unless necessary. Use separate calendars for sensitive information. Check and remove any untrusted third-party apps. And keep your devices secure and updated. And that's it. Now you know how to secure Google Calendar events like a pro.